So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will do a packet tracer entitled Skills Integration Challenge. So, but first you have to download this PKA. So, late because I downloaded it. So let's get started with this. So packet tracer skills integration challenge. So we have addressing table, device, interface, IP address, subnet mask. So for objective, configure hostname and IP addresses on two Cisco Inter-Network Operating System or IOS switches. Using the command line interface CLI, use Cisco IOS command to specify or limit access to the device configuration. Use IOS command to save the running configuration. Excuse me. Configure two host devices with IP addresses, and verify connectivity between the two PC and devices. So for the scenario, as a recently hired LAN technician, your network manager has asked you to demonstrate your ability to configure a small LAN. Your tasks include configuring initial setting on two switches using the Cisco IOS and configuring IP addresses. Parameters on host devices to provide end-to-end connectivity. You are to use two switches and two hosts. So, two switches and two hosts or PC on a cable power network. So, for the requirements, use console connection to access each switch. Next is name class A and class B switches. Use the XAW 6K password for all lines. Use the 6EBUP for the secret password. Encrypt a clear text password and then include the word warning in the message of the day MOTD banner. Configure addressing for all devices according to the addressing table and save your configurations. Verify connectivity between all devices. So we have a note, click check result to see your progress. So let's begin with the first requirement. So first, use console connection to access with each other. So we will use a connection with a console. So connection, you have console. Switches a console with a student 1. RS232. And then console again. Plus B console to the student 2 RS23. So as you can see, the switches and the devices or PC are have a connection with the switches. So first we have to click this. We will do a CLI. We have to go to the terminal and then okay. So first you have to enter word enable, and you can use en for the shortcut method. So we will use en and then configure terminal. As you can see, enter configuration command one per line and with a cntlz. We have to, so as you can see, this is the global command. So again, host name. So our host name is class A. Class A. So we have to line console incomplete command. So line console 0. So we have a password. What are the passwords? So we will use password for all lines is xaw6k, and then log in, then exit. Again, we have line vty04, and then password again. So our password is xaw6k because it is a requirement for password of all lines. So again, log in and then exit. So we have to enable secret. So our password is, for secret password is 6EBUP, small p, and then we have um, service password encryption, encryption, and then we have a banner, not MOTD. We have, as you can see, include the word warning in the message of the day. So we will include the word warning, warning, warning. And then, so we have interface VLAN 1. So we will get the IP of the VLAN 1 class A. IP address is 128.107.20.10, and then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and then after that we have to now shut down. So as you can see, we have class A config. So link 5 change interface VLAN change state to app. So line proto 5 up downline protocol on interface VLAN change state to app. So we have to um, exit, and then exit again. So we have copy running config, running config, and then start up config. So as you can see, destination file name startup config, building configuration is okay with a class A, and then let's move on to the next, student 2, desktop terminal. Okay, so we will use N again, and then and then configure terminal and then what do you call this, host name. So for the host name is we will change with a class A with a class B, because as we have the student 2 we have class B, class B. Second is line console 0, and then password, we will use again a password, we will use password XAW6K, and then log in, exit. We go with the line BTY04, and then password again. Password is XAW6K, and then enable secret with the 6 EBUP, and then password, no, we have service password encryption. After that, we have the banner MOTD warning. And after that, we have the interface VLAN 1. So for the IP for VLAN 1 is class B is 128.107.20.15, and then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and then no shutdown. We have the wrong, we will type the IP address. I forgot the IP address word. IP address. We have 128.107.20.15, and then the subnet mask is 128.107.20.15. For the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So after that, we have to now shut down. As you can see, it's the same as the class A. Link 5 charge interface VLAN changes state to up, and then we have to exit, and then exit, and then copy running config, and then start up config. So it's all done with the class B. Destination file name startup config is building configuration. Okay, so we are done with the class B, and then we have to input the IP address and subnet mask with the student 1 and student 2. So IP configuration for the student 1 IP address is 128.107.20.25. For the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. It's already done with the student 1, and we will proceed to the student 2. IP configuration for the student 2. And the student 2 have a IP address with the 128.107.20.30. It's already done with the IP address, and we will proceed to the subnet mask with the 255.255.255.0. So we are done with the all requirements in the Packet Tracer chapter 2. So it's already done. We will use console class A class B, the password of our lines and secret password for clear text. That we will use the warning word. So it's finished. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy my video. Bye.